Hey guys, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to fix HVCI enabled error on Valorant and how to solve this. So this is going to be one of the issues. They just have various names, but in general it's actually pretty easy. You need to just go into your settings on Windows. Alright, and from your search bar you just type in core isolation. Alright, and this will take us into our security application. And guys, in the very top where it says memory integrity, make sure to just turn off this feature because it messes with a lot of games, it reduces performance. You should just turn it off. So turn this off, right? So this is going to be your Windows security, so Windows Defender application, and after that you just restart your PC, and from there you should not encounter that error anymore. So as you can see, there's a whole entire article about how to fix various issues with Battlefield 6. So yeah, hopefully this helps you out and assists you. If it did, don't forget to press a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment and subscribe.